Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss one of the numerical based on chi-square test. I, Kumar Ratnesh, Assistant Professor in Diwan Institute of Management Studies, Meerut. So, coming to the numerical part, the basic statement of numerical part is there are 5 departmental stores. The departmental store A has 4 competitors B, C, D, and E. And here the store A hired a consultant to determine if the percentage of shoppers who prefer each of the 5 stores is the same. A survey of 1100 randomly selected shoppers is conducted, and the results about which of the store shoppers prefer are below. Is there enough evidence using a significance level at 5% to conclude that the proportions are equally the same? And the tabular form is given: the store A, B, C, D, and E, and the number of shoppers for the departmental store A is 262, for departmental B is 234, for departmental store C is 204, and departmental store D is 190, and the departmental store E is 210. And these all number of shoppers are considered as the observed frequency. Now coming to the main part, what basically the solution of the numerical is. Firstly, we should create the hypothesis. Here, null hypothesis indicated as the H0. And as per the statement of the question, the H0, the null hypothesis is equal to customer prefer each of the 5 store equally. And the second part of the hypothesis, that is alternate hypothesis, HA, which indicates as per the nature of the question, customer do not prefer each of the 5 store equally. In the question paper, the statement given, the level of significance is 5%. What basically the 5% significance here means? It means the level of significance means there is a 5% probability that the null hypothesis will be rejected, though it is true. Coming to the next part, here degree of freedom is given, that is also indicated as DF is equal to n minus 1. The basic formula of degree of freedom is n minus 1. And in the mathematical term, here n simply means the number of items given in your question set. So in our question, the number of items are given are 5. Hence, the degree of freedom DF is equal to n minus 1. It means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now, as given in questions, that the percentage of shoppers who prefer each of the 5 store is the same. It means each department, like departmental store A, departmental store B, departmental store C, departmental store D, has 20% of preference. As per the chi-square formula, firstly we calculate expected frequency. The number of randomly selected shoppers is 1100. So expected frequency is equal to 20% of 1100. It means 220. Now coming to the part of tabular form. Here the chi-square formula is equal to the summation of observed frequency minus expected frequency to the whole square divided by expected frequency. Now the tabular form is here. We have designed the table as per the requirement of the formula. As we know, we have already discussed the preference level of all the departmental store A, B, C, D and E are 20%. So the expected frequency are equal for all, that is 220, and observed frequency is already given in the question paper. So here the step is, for the departmental store A, the difference between observed frequency and expected frequency is 262 minus 220 is equal to 42. Now for departmental store B, the difference is 234 minus 220 is equal to 14. For the departmental store C, the difference is 204 minus 220 is equal to minus 16. For the departmental store D, the difference is 190 minus 220 is equal to minus 30. And for the departmental store E, the difference is 210 minus 220 is equal to minus 10. Coming to the next part, that is the whole square of difference of observed frequency and expected frequency. And for the departmental store A, that is 42 whole square is equal to 1764 for departmental store B, that is 196, for departmental store C, that is 256, for departmental store D, that is 900, and for the departmental store E, that is 100. And the last portion of this question is observed frequency minus expected frequency का whole square divided by expected frequency. For the departmental store A, that is 8.018, for the departmental store B, that is 0.891, for the departmental store C, that is 1.163, for the departmental store D, that is 4.091, and for the departmental store E, that is 0.455. So here simply indicated that the calculated chi-square is 14.618, that is the summation part. And as per the tabular form, if the level of significance is 5% and the degree of freedom is 4, the chi-square value in the tabular form is given is 9.488. And in the from the calculation, it is clearly indicated that the calculated chi-square 14.618 is more than 9.488. It means there is enough statistical evidence to reject null hypothesis and to believe that customers do not prefer each of the 5 store equally. Thank you.